This video is about Upwork cover letters for beginners. So let's get started. I have opened my Upwork profile. Upwork is a freelancing platform that connects businesses with freelancers from all over the world. It's a great way to find work, but knowing how to use it properly is essential. What you have to do is simply go to the header of the Upwork page and find job in the options on the left side of the screen. You also search for jobs from the search bar on the right side of your screen. Right here, SEO Content Writer. You will find a lot of jobs as they are here. On the right side of the page, you will get the option to filter by. So, you can filter out your job with different options. You can choose the category level. Can add your experience level in 3 main levels. You also can select your job type and hourly rate. Here you will get the option to fix your price. Number of proposals of your choice. The client info, client history, client location, and other different options, etc. You also can remove these filters simply by pressing the cross in front of the specified filter. Now let's open any one of the jobs. I will open this one. Let's have a look at it. Here is the job description that the client requires from you. Here is the job type. Activity on this job. And have a look at the client's recent work history. If this job meets your all specified requirements, simply click on Apply Now. You have to submit a proposal by filtering out your job requirements. Firstly, propose with specialized profile. You can review one more time the job description, job type, skills, and expertise that are required for this job. Set your hourly rate, freelancer service fee, and the payment that you will receive after job completion. If you are hired for the long term, you can schedule a rate increase after 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. I will go with never. And now the main thing is the cover letter in the additional details. If you are good in English and have good writing skills that can help you to impress client, then write a proposal according to job requirements. Otherwise, for the cover letter, I will suggest to you the best AI tool, which is Bard AI. Here I am on Google Bard AI. I already log in. You don't. First log in with a Google account. Here the important thing is to note that you have to give Bard proper and exact prompt, as I am doing. Here enter a prompt according to your requirements. And press enter. It will take a while. Now you can the detailed cover letter here. But this is too lengthy. If you want to win a job on Upwork, write a short and meaningful cover letter. Now what you have to do is write a prompt again, to Bard to do it short. I think it is perfect. Simply copy this text. Let's go back to Upwork. And paste it here. You can make some changes if you want to. Write your name here in place of XYZ. You also can attach any portfolio or a document here. And this is done. Click over Send for 8 connects. This is how you can write an Upwork cover letter as a beginner. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.